Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have got a beautiful new dress that is just perfect for so many different occasions, and I'm excited to tell you all about it. First and foremost, the most important thing to me is that it has pockets. I love that it has pockets, and they're really deep, so I can fit a lot of stuff in there, which is great. Another great thing about this is how comfortable it is. I don't really wear dresses that often because I'm kind of a bigger woman, but I love this dress. It's perfect for date night. It's perfect for Bible study. Even if you just have to run to the grocery store and you just want to slide something on that's going to keep you comfortable and cool. I also want to highlight how well it's made. I am a busy wife and mom, and I'm not real easy on my clothes, but this stitching here I know is going to last me a long time. I've worn it and washed it several times, and it shows no signs of wear or fading. I got this in a size extra large, and it is true to size. That's typically the size I wear. I love that the sleeves are not too tight on my arms. That's something as a bigger woman that really just irritates me, is when the sleeves are too tight, but these fit me great. I love the pattern on this cute little white flowers with a blue background. It's so light and airy. I know that this dress is going to be something I wear a lot through the summer. So if you're in the market for an adorable and versatile dress for your closet, you've found it. And that's my point of view.